exact, so don't click out of this video yet. I know you probably want to, but stay tuned for all 6, please. I thought a video might be better. You may watch it rather than having me type it all out. I don't know that you'd all read it. So here we go, 6 things. Thing number 1, arguably the most important. Some of you may have heard the announcement was made on Friday that schools are not going to be able to go back into the buildings this year. So we are going to continue school, but it's going to be remote learning. So this means using Google Classroom, using email to communicate with each other, and that's what it's going to be for fourth quarter. It stinks. It's not what anybody wanted. I know it's not what I wanted. I miss you all, and I really wish we could go back, but in order to keep everybody safe, everybody healthy, this is the decision that was made. So stinks, but we'll make the best of it. Thing number 2 that I want you to know, I want to thank those of you who gave feedback on my survey. Maybe about a third of you responded. One of the biggest things that you guys said was more videos. So that's why this is a video. And I will really work on that moving forward to try to include videos, examples, me going over or explaining stuff for you to try to really help you guys out. So thank you to those of you who gave me that feedback. Thing number 3, make sure that you are checking both your email and Google Classroom every day, Monday through Friday. Checking it on the weekend is awesome too, but weekends are weekends. But at least Monday through Friday, all right? Miss Carvani and I, Miss Quigley, all of us will be posting updates there for you. That's how we'll get in contact with you. So make sure you're checking that every day to make sure that you can keep up with what you're needing to do, okay? Halfway through, thing number 4. Once you turn in your work, we, your teachers, have the ability to comment on it. Just like you can ask us questions and put comments in there, we could do the same thing. So when you turn in your work, make sure you're checking those comments, all right? A lot of you, this is especially happening with model drawing. You're getting super, super close, but not quite correct. So I'm putting a comment or a hint or one thing I want you to change or adjust. And you're never checking it, you're never changing it. So take a look at those comments and you can respond to them, or you could just make the adjustment. So if you notice you turned something in and it's not being returned to you, it's probably because there's an outstanding comment there. So check those comments out, all right? Thing number 5, this is really important also. Once you turn in an assignment and it gets turned back, it gets returned to you, that's it. You don't need to turn it in again. Some of you are turning in your work 2, 3, 4 times, and when you turn it in again, it deletes the grade. So maybe you turned something in, you got 100, I returned it to you, and then you, for some reason, decided to turn it in again, then now you have a 0 or you have a missing. Like, it's deleting the grade. So turn it in once, it gets graded, it gets returned. Once it's returned to you, that's it. You don't need to turn it in again. I did make some tutorials for you. You could check them out in that need help section where I show you how you can check if you turned it in. So I don't know, maybe you're turning in it again because you're not sure. So you could check those tutorials to make sure you turned it in correctly. And I also show you how you could check your grades or even some things that aren't graded. I'm just giving you credit for doing it. So if there's like a check mark there, then that means that I got it, I returned it. So check out that need help section, okay? Last but not least, 6th item, 6th announcement, you made it, you stayed for the whole video, thank you, is on Mondays. I did this last week, but I just want to make sure you guys all know moving forward, on Mondays, you can check the school website and also our Google Classroom. I'm going to post it both of those locations. I'll be posting plans for the week. So it's going to be sort of just an outline of what we're going to do that week. So that way you can have an idea of what skill are we practicing, or what new information am I learning, what's the science topic, what are the expectations, what activities do I need to do I need any certain materials, things like that. And then every day I'm going to continue to post. I've been posting assignments based on their date to try to help keep everybody organized. So I'll continue doing that. But on Mondays, if you want, you can look at that overview just to have an idea of what's coming at you this week, okay? I think that's all my updates for you. All right, well, I miss you all. I hope you're all doing well. And I can't even say I'll see you, but I will see you in class.